Hi everyone, my name is Jackie and I'm going to teach you how to make homemade ice cream. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get a bag of ice. We're going to need some vanilla extract, some sugar, some salt, and some milk. So we're going to put the ice in the bag. So you're going to go ahead and get 1/4 cup of salt, and you're gonna throw this into the bag. Take that up a little, and now we are going to get another small Ziploc bag. We're gonna fill this up with some milk, 1 cup of milk. And we're going to go ahead and throw that in here. Now that we did that, we're going to get 1 tablespoon of sugar. Throw that into the small bag. And then we're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So you should have something looking like this. And now we're gonna try to get all of the air out of here. So let me set this down. You don't want any type of air in here. Now you're going to go ahead and take your small bag of milk, sugar, and vanilla and put it into the bigger bag that has ice and salt. We're going to close this up, and you're going to want to shake for 6 minutes. So now, after 6 minutes, we're going to go ahead and pull out the little bag. Going to go ahead and open it. I might have needed a little bit more milk. I didn't do the full cup, so mine is a little bit hard right now. But once you're done, you're going to go ahead, take your spoon and mix it up a little. And then you could go ahead and eat it. And then you're done.